In this video, you will see everything you need to know about maintaining the most beautiful decorative lawns. Welcome to the Garden Green channel. Turf density. Infrequently seeded grass is one of the main causes of easy acceptance of weeds in your lawn. A densely seeded lawn prevents weed seeds from reaching the soil, and even if weed seeds do make it, they have little chance of developing in a densely seeded lawn. If you are planning to sow a new lawn, sow it according to these instructions. For every 100 square meters of lawn, add extra grass seed for 25 square meters. Sow, on 100 square meters of land, sow seeds for 125 square meters. In this way, the lawn will be dense, but not too dense. Grass seeded too sparsely allows a variety of weeds to reach the soil, and weeds will spread throughout your lawn. Therefore, sow the grass more densely than recommended on the seed package to get a more weed-resistant surface. Save some seeds after sowing, because you will not always find the same seeds you bought. You may need it for thickening or repairing an existing lawn. Dandelion. It is impossible to eradicate it in the world because it reproduces easily, which is great. It has numerous benefits for our health. If you don't want it on your ornamental lawn, here's how to prevent dandelions. Dandelion flowering begins in early spring. It is important to remove the entire root during extraction, otherwise it will grow back. This tool works wonders. I eliminated dandelions on my old lawn with this tool in no time. It works best after rain. Spring is the ideal season to tidy up your ornamental lawn by removing weeds and dead grass, and applying fertilizer to achieve a pristine appearance. Here's how to prevent it on new lawns. If you don't have it on your lawn, make sure you have it somewhere in your neighborhood. When it blooms in the spring, with a light wind, it will be easily transported over long distances, including on your lawn. It is necessary to take measures during the blooming phase of dandelions in your environment. One dandelion plant in a season produces 3,000 to 6,000 seeds that contain the ability to germinate for the next few hundred years. If you're hoping it won't settle on your lawn, you're wrong. You should not be in a hurry to mow the grass in the spring, especially by mowing it too low because the seeds will remain high on the surface of your lawn. By mowing only the tops of the lawn, the mower will draw in the dandelion seeds. That way, it will not come into contact with the ground. As soon as spring arrives, we eagerly await the opportunity to mow our lawns and enjoy the smell of freshly cut grass. But then you should mow a maximum of 1/3 of the grass height once a week. Improper mowing heights in the spring are ideal conditions for dandelions to be transferred to your lawn. Mowing too low enables easy penetration of weed seeds into the soil because the weeds come to the ground, not from the ground. It is recommended to mow at a height of 7 to 8 centimeters when the grass is about 10 centimeters high. In this way, the lawnmower will pick up dandelion seeds. Lawn cleaning can be done throughout the year. There are many tools and preparations for this. On new lawn, I usually remove insignificant weeds with a thin scalpel to avoid leaving noticeable marks or holes that require additional attention. After a few pulls, you'll be a pro at quick weed removal. If the area is larger after extraction, use a scalpel or knife to loosen the soil and place a few seeds that you saved from sowing. The prerequisite is that you do it in the spring while the weed is still underdeveloped and has not released seeds that will be difficult to eradicate later. Using chemicals on the lawn is not an option for me. Sugar is one of the acceptable organic weed control options. It is also a fertilizer and helps the grass to take all the nitrogen from the soil. In this way, it suppresses weeds from persisting in your lawn. After application, it is necessary to water the lawn well to avoid a large number of ants. Beneficial microorganisms that feed on sugar will contribute to a better soil structure and make the grass less sensitive to heat, drought, or cold. You can add it once in spring and once in autumn. By aerating the lawn in the spring, we revive the roots and enable easy access to the roots to get nutrients and water. Most plants, including grass, require proper aeration to grow healthily. You can find an excellent tool for aerating, removing moss, and removing dead grass at the link in the video description. When the lawn is not green and lush, the problem may be a lack of nutrients that the roots receive. By aerating the lawn through verticutting and scarification, the grass becomes denser and more resistant to damage. Due to the vegetation cycle of the grass, the lawn often has dead grass remains that create a layer of organic material. This layer deprives the grass of light and oxygen and prevents nutrients and water from reaching the roots. Due to this layer, moss and weeds often thrive on the lawn. This is especially true for compacted, loamy soils and shady areas. It is especially useful to aerate the soil. If your soil is hard and compact, it's important to aerate it by drilling holes. If your soil is loose, it is necessary to perform verticulation on the surface layer. Spring is the ideal season to aerate your lawn after the soil has warmed up and the grass has started to grow. After that, fertilize the lawn. For the lawn, it is best to use organic fertilizers that will give you the healthiest lawn over time, unlike chemical fertilizers that are full of salt. Due to its chemical composition, your lawn will be exhausted and damaged in 3 years. Spring and autumn are the most important periods when you need to fertilize the lawn. To determine if the soil requires fertilizer, you can conduct a simple soil test. Weeds grow best in acidic, alkaline, and compacted soils. Correct pH of your lawn will additionally suppress the most dangerous weeds in lawns, because soil with correct pH values is not suitable for the development of weeds. Test the pH value of your lawn with a simple test with ingredients you have at home. If your lawn reacts to a teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a little water, you have acidic soil. If it reacts to vinegar, then it is alkaline and needs to be fertilized. If there is no reaction to either, you have ideal soil for a lawn. Pour 10 liters of water over the tested surface to prevent damage to the tested area. On my channel you have a variety of lawn care videos, so take the opportunity to turn your lawn into a stunning surface. Follow me and hit the like button for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.